we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Good one.
Oh, that's a most.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Oh.
Just let him go. Let him go.
Yep, no. Keep reeling. No, gently. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
40-pounder, Amy.
Oh, it's a good 20-pounder. Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. Oh, yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Look at that, baby.
That's as big as they get out here, Amy.
I couldn't hold it up anymore.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, you reeled in sturgeon.
You want some line out, Steve?
Yeah.
I couldn't hold it up
Oh,
anymore.
look at that, baby.
I know.
Woo!
Here, you can hold the camera. Coming right in here. Keep coming. Left, 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 left. Step back. Got it. He's finding. Keep coming, Kristen. Keep coming. Bring it to you and step back. There you go. Perfect.
Wow. He's pretty.
Wow. Pretty mouth.
Oh man.
Look at that.
That's a-
There's gotta be salmon.
Big guy.
Captain Steve. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. Oh, close your eyes.
Okay.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club.
Sea lice on that thing.
Yeah, let's see.
There you go.
Okay, Joe, let's
Got
get
the
a
2
picture
chef
here.
wiffle. Look at that one, beauty. Got a pretty mouth.
No blood. Look at that.
Yeah,
Joe.
turn around.
Turn around.
Yeah, turn around and get her.
Turn around and get the
I'll
picture.
take that. Yep. There you go.
Come here,
Got a little
buddy.
Hold still. Hold
Bring
still.
up the tail.
Drop position. There you go.
Oh.
Hold on, wait. There we go. He looks bigger if we push him out.
A twofer. Oh, sweet.
We only have one on.
Good.
Steel's got it.
Seal.
Keep reeling, keep reeling.
Whoa!
Shark.
I got
That's a shark? Did you
Yeah,
What was that?
A shark.
we got a shark.
Can we catch him?
Oh, I didn't get one.
Have it all.
It's huge.
That's a huge, that's a giant Pacific octopus for sure.
You didn't want to let it go.
No, he's not.
It's got it in it.
Suckers.
Oh, it's like a boat hit him, dude.